Hey, what's going on, everybody? Peapod's here for another video. Today is December the 23rd, 2017. Man, we only got, what, 8 more days left in the year, 2 more days till Christmas. It's time to get it in, people. All right, well, today we're going to go over some new coins that hit CoinMarketCap. But before we do that, we're going to take a look at the market, okay? So, we have bounced back. We are back close to 600 billion market cap. We are at 1377 cryptocurrencies on this website that they track. Bitcoin has bounced back. I believe the low was around, I want to say, some say 10.5 on some exchanges. I want to say about 11. So they bounced back, as you can see, in 24 hours. It's up 10%. So, Ethereum's up 10%. Bitcoin Cash is back to 3,000. Ripple is up 12%. Litecoin is up 16%. So things are getting back to normal. Let's look at Dash. Dash is at 1,200 again. Monero is close to 400 again. So there was a dip yesterday, and I think it kind of stemmed from, okay, well, let's start taking some profit, and people saw the market move, and they panicked and they sold, right? But we all know that in crypto, this is going to come back. It's people are not going to just sell all their coins and be done with it, because it's just too much money to be had in this space, right? So that's a good thing. Let's look at Verge. Verge is at 19 cents, which is amazing. Look at that. In 24 hours, it's up 87%. In last 7 days, it's up almost 700%. So you definitely want to keep an eye on this one. This is just like, I want to say it's a poor man's Monero, but of course it has a lot more coins, 14 billion compared to 15 million. So that's what you want to look at. You want to look at the number of coins that it has available, because that has a vast effect on the price of each coin. All right, like 7,000 compared to 16,000 for Bitcoin. If you compare that, you can say, okay, well, I can see where this is going, right? I mean, you look at this at 16 million coins or tokens, and Bitcoin Cash is at 3,000. And Monero is at 15 and is at 398. So just imagine a year from now, you know exactly where it's going. So let's take a look at the charts. Trading view. And let me show you how things go with this before we get into the coins. All right. Have to pardon my browser, it takes a little bit of time. All right, BTC. So as I was stating yesterday, you saw this decline for the last 5 days or whatnot. The top was around 20,000, and here we are. We have a bounce back. So this bar right here, if this lasts for the next 12 hours, and I'm looking at UTC time because it's about 12:28 UTC time. If this bar stands, you want to buy in here, because this will probably be the low, okay? We can see that either go up or down, but usually when there's a nice bar like this, that's a bottom, and people are like, okay, I'm going to start buying in. And yesterday, you can see that this was almost a topping tail, because it went all the way down, right? And then Bitcoin started gaining, and we ended up not having that huge of a loss comparing day to day. Now, if you look at the weekly chart, and you always got to keep this in perspective, right? The weekly chart, we had a green bar last week. We had a red bar this week. We'll see where this ends up, okay? But if you look at the monthly chart, and you always have to keep this perspective on things, right? You always have to not only look from day to day or week to week, you have to look at it like, okay, well, what is this going to do over time? What is this going to do over several months? And if you look at the monthly chart, we are still in a bull run. Yeah, it's parabolic. Don't get me wrong, but as you can see, this is definitely going up. Okay. Now some say, people sold their coins because of the taxes. You know, you can speculate a lot. I mean, you can speculate on so many things. Whether the U.S. is going to pass the tax laws and things like that. But you don't know. I mean, you really don't know. And especially with this market is still small. It's only at 600 billion USD traded each day. It's still a very small market, and it's still ran by emotions. It's ran by fear and greed. And as you can see, um, the fear took over, right? The fear took over. There was a top, fear took over. Now we'll see if the greedy the greedy token people take over. But I just recommend hold your coins. You know, just hold your coins, collect them coins. Um, all right. So that's that. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below or up above or whatever this is posted to. You can get to me. All right. So let's start with the first coin. The first coin is called Dew, and it's not Mountain Dew, I don't believe, but it's Dew, D-E-W. It's a ticker symbol. It's at $3.48. The volume is about 11.2 million. Total supply is 200,000. 200 million tokens. If it was 200,000, the price should be a lot higher. As you can see, it started yesterday at 209 and we are at 358. So if you bought down here, which I keep trying to do these coins earlier, keep trying to do these videos earlier than what I'm doing, you would have made $1 on your investment if you did invest in this, right? Let's see what market it's traded on. It's traded on the big one. Never heard of big one. There's so many exchanges out here. As you can see, Dew is the biggest one. Ethereum, EOS. I'm always looking for new exchanges to put my coins in. So let's see. Big one. Welcome to Big One, the most secure, convenient, multi-token exchange in the world. You have to be careful about these exchanges too, because there's a lot of them that talk a big game, but they don't have the security in place. So you just want to be careful. Here's their exchange. It looks pretty decent, pretty nice. Kind of looks a little bit like Ether Delta, a little bit, and somewhat like Binance. But never heard of Big One, but you can trade these coins on there. Dew Inc. EOS, Ethereum. They don't trade Bitcoin. Oh, they trade Super Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash. Look at that. Maybe this is arbitrage. It's at 29.42, and maybe you can trade it to another exchange and make money. But anyway, so that's that. Let's go back. And let's check out their website. What does Dew do? Alright, here we go. Dew warning. We are very sorry to inform you that we will not provide service to the user who is a citizen or resident of the People's Republic of China or entity formed under the laws of People's Republic of China. Each a Chinese person. Thank you. Okay. Decentralized exchange of the world. Alright, what can we do? What can Dew do? Dew is a decentralized exchange and also a gateway to the global blockchain securities market through an all-money account. You can trade blockchain assets, stocks, futures, forex, ETF, bet contracts, etc. Okay, So they trade all those in the blockchain exchange. Nice. What is chain-based escrow? It can guarantee the assets transfer is executed by rules in the smart contract. Anyone cannot take the fund out unilaterally. Chain-based clearing, transition signature. How does do work? And that's how do works. You got a blog, you can whitelist, exclusive. That's their team. That's the CEO and CTO. They have cartoon characters. Let's take a look at their Twitter feed. 2,409 followers. They started in 2017, United Kingdom. And their last tweet was 18 hours ago. We will start the vote on the token selection. Retweet. Huh. They're out of England, but they put it in Chinese or Japanese. I can't tell which one it is. I apologize for that. So there you have it. That is due. Make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure you read the white paper before you invest. Make sure that you are thoroughly sure that you want to invest in due if you're going to invest in due. Okay. All right. Next one is Medibloc, and the ticker symbol is MED. You got Medibloc, MetaShares. This one is at 2.5 cents. Total supply is 10 billion coins. Volume is 780,000 so far. Of course, we're halfway through the day. It started out at 2 cents, and we're at 2.5 cents, and 2.6 cents, or it says 2.5 cents there. And they do have the BTC back. So let's see, started at 150 Satoshis, and we're at 175 Satoshis. Good stuff. What market is it traded on? It's on CoinRail. Let's take a look at CoinRail. I never really heard of CoinRail. The biggest token is Dent. I never heard of Dent. Let's take a look at the exchange. Looks like it's an Asian, possibly, exchange. Yes, we want to translate. Maybe it's Korean. Yeah, this is Korean. The page has been translated. Okay, I guess that's translated. Yeah, this is on the Korean exchange. So you have Conrail, and you have I think it was Gate.io. Yeah, Gate.io. Alright, Gate.io, they trade Ethereum, Bitcoin, that's their largest one. And this is getting to be one of the bigger ones. Let's take a look at Gate.io. So I don't believe I ever showed this, but you can go ahead and sign up and transfer some coins if you want to trade on here. I've been here a few times, but I don't have a account with them, so just to let you guys know. But that's Gate.io. All right, let's take a look at Medibloc website. There you go. All right, what are they all about? Here's some of these. It's taking a little bit of time, but that's okay. Medibloc. The Med token sale has successfully ended, of course. What do? Blockchain-based healthcare information ecosystem. Medibloc is a decentralized healthcare information ecosystem for patients, healthcare providers, and data researchers built on blockchain technology. So this is a medical type token. They have a white paper. The white paper is just an overview of the business. It's almost like a business plan for those newbies that don't know. Digital healthcare wallet, your personal healthcare information owned by you. every interaction with every medical professional, procedure, or pharmacy neatly organized in one place, secured on the blockchain. So you can carry your information with you. Reduce redundancies, data interoperability through Medibloc brings complete patient health autonomy. Doctors provide better health care, better diagnosis, and ultimately a better, more personalized health care. I agree. This is definitely needed. We have a roadmap, got the crowdfunding, SDK, and then they're looking out to May. SDK kit is for developers. Token sale, total token supply, sale supply was 5 billion. Okay, here's your advisors, the members, and there you have it. Let's look at Twitter. Medibloc, 1,950 followers. The last tweet was a couple days ago, and they started in June 2017. So there you have it. That is Medibloc for you. Once again, make sure you do your due diligence if you want to invest. And here are the markets. So, all right, that does it, everybody, for this video. Thank you so much for listening, and watching this video. Please leave your comments below. If you are interested in any links below, I do have some lending platforms as well as how to buy Bitcoin and other coins down below. And also, I'm going to add a link for your Ledger wallet, which is a hardware wallet. So look for that down below as well. So please smash that like button. Please subscribe to the channel. And do me one favor. Have a blessed day. P Potts is out.